phrase of the day, hit home. Have you ever heard something that really made you feel it inside? That's exactly what today's phrase is about. Hit home.
This little lady's words hit home.
And your words hit home about a top-notch education, getting your financial house in order.
That's it.
It means something strikes you deeply, makes you understand the truth, or it touches your emotions. It's perfect for stories, advice, or even everyday conversations where you want to express that impact.
Realizing what their underlying fears were, that's when it sort of hit home.
I know it probably sounds crazy, but it just hit home for me, and
Example sentences. 1. Her story about overcoming challenges really hit home. 2. The statistic about climate change hit home for everyone in the room. That's today's phrase. But don't stop now. Tomorrow brings another phrase to make your English even more natural and powerful. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next class. Take care.